Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys a big problem that many people have been having. So, if you are looking to take bookmarks out of one account on Google and put them into another, but don't want to manually add them one by one to the other account, you've come to the right place. Today I'm going to show you how to import these bookmarks from here and export them all the way to another account. To begin, simply go right here on your bookmarks bar and you want to right click. From here, you want to go to Bookmarks Manager right here. And as you can see here, it is the manager of all our bookmarks. It shows our 3 bookmarks. From here, you want to go to the top right where you find these 3 dots. Press on these and you want to press on Export Bookmarks. From there, save your bookmarks to your Downloads folder and press Save. Afterwards, we can close this page. And this is our new account. As you can see, there are no bookmarks. To add bookmarks to this account, you simply want to come to the top right where these 3 dots are. Come down here and you will see bookmarks. From here, you want to go to the right and go to Bookmark Manager. From here, as you can see, we're in the same page as the other time. You want to come to the top right once again with 3 dots. Press on them and press on Import Bookmarks this time. From here, select the bookmarks HTML file. You want to press on open. And as you can see, our 3 bookmarks have been added. So now if we were to open a new page, as you can see, we have our bookmarks and they all work. And that right there is how you can export your bookmarks into another account. If you guys have any difficulties, make sure to comment down below and we'll try to resolve the problem. Other than that, I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.